Imagine a business where you design custom products without ever touching inventory. Welcome to the world of print on demand. This revolutionary model lets entrepreneurs create and sell unique items like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. The best part? Products are only printed and shipped after a customer places an order. This eliminates the need for upfront investment in stock, making it a low-risk, high-reward venture. POD is perfect for creatives, dreamers, and anyone looking to turn their passion into profit. The beauty of POD lies in its simplicity. You design it, list it, and let the platform handle the rest. This includes everything from printing and shipping to customer service and returns. This allows you to focus on what truly matters, creating amazing designs that resonate with your target audience. Whether you're an artist, influencer, or simply someone with a great idea, POD empowers you to build a brand and share your vision with the world. Get ready to unleash your creativity and watch your business flourish. Ready to dive into the exciting world of POD? Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, niche selection. Find your passion. What are you truly interested in? Identify a specific target market with unique needs. Are you passionate about yoga, gaming, or maybe dog lovers? Researching existing businesses and trends can help uncover untapped markets. Next, store setup. Choose a platform like Shopify to create your online store. Connect it with a POD app like Printful, Printify, or T-Launch. These platforms automate order fulfillment, making your life easier. Then, design creation. Let your creativity shine. Design unique products using tools provided by POD services. You can also outsource design work if needed. Remember, your designs are the heart of your business. After that, product listing. Showcase your creations. Add your products to your online store. Use detailed descriptions, competitive pricing, and high-quality photos. Make your products irresistible. Don't forget to expand your reach. Connect your store to online marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, and eBay. Utilize social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Finally, marketing strategy. Spread the word. Develop a marketing plan targeting your niche audience. Utilize social media advertising, content marketing, and influencer partnerships. Get people excited about your brand. In the world of POD, success leaves clues. Here are some key factors to help you thrive. Niche focus. Avoid being a jack of all trades. Focus on specific customer segments with tailored designs. This creates a stronger brand identity and attracts a loyal following. Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate your designs. Simple, template-based designs that resonate emotionally with your target audience often perform best. Leverage tools. Utilize tools like Canva for design, Printify for fulfillment, and ChatGPT for generating creative ideas. These tools streamline your workflow and boost efficiency, persistence, and experimentation. Building a successful business takes time and effort. Don't be afraid to try different designs and marketing strategies. Learn from your mistakes and keep iterating. However, even with the best intentions, entrepreneurs can fall prey to common mistakes. Here are some pitfalls to avoid. Overly broad niche. Targeting a generic market leads to increased competition and lower visibility. Find your niche and own it. Insufficient designs. Offering a limited selection reduces your chances of success. A larger number of designs increases the likelihood of finding winning products. Lack of persistence. Success rarely happens overnight. Don't give up too soon. Building a thriving POD business requires dedication, continuous learning, and adaptation. The POD landscape is constantly evolving. Staying ahead of the curve requires embracing new trends and adapting marketing strategies. DTG versus DTF printing. Direct-to-garment DTG printing is ideal for softer, lighter apparel. Direct-to-film DTF is preferred for heavier items like hoodies. Consider combining both techniques for unique designs. Shift to smaller orders. Consumers are increasingly favoring smaller on-demand orders. This highlights the importance of efficient production and fulfillment processes. Partnerships. Collaborate with influencers and other businesses in your niche. Partnerships expand your reach and introduce your brand to a new audience. Strategic marketing. Develop a comprehensive marketing plan encompassing social media marketing, content creation, email marketing, and paid advertising. The future of POD is bright. By embracing innovation, understanding your target market, and implementing effective marketing strategies, you can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Remember, the journey of 1,000 sales begins with a single design. So, what are you waiting for? Start creating and let your POD journey begin.